The wilderness doesn't care about your excuses, it only cares about your edge. Welcome back to part 2 of our 2026 guide to the ultimate bushcraft knives on Amazon. We're moving beyond the basics into high-performance blades that master wood processing, fire prep, and shelter building with ease. From premium Scandi grinds to indestructible full-tang workhorses, these tools are built to survive the grind. Let's dive back into the countdown and find your next lifelong field companion. The BA-KOR BA-kl02 is an overbuilt survival powerhouse designed for the most demanding wilderness environments of 2026. This full-tang fixed blade is engineered for heavy-duty tasks, from processing firewood to tactical field use. Its American-style straight-back blade provides a massive surface area for batoning, while the ergonomic wood handle ensures a secure, natural grip during extended use. Whether you are hunting, fishing, or deep woods camping, this knife is built to be a primary survival tool. It features a formidable 8.4-inch blade, crafted from high-performance alloy steel. The overall length is a commanding 14.4-inch, providing incredible leverage for chopping and clearing brush. Despite its massive size, it remains balanced for a tool of this class, weighing in at 29.92 ounce. This comprehensive kit also includes a custom sheath, a cerium stone igniter, and a multi-purpose scraper. The MOTEECRAG K1018 is a classic bushcraft essential that blends traditional aesthetics with 2026 survival reliability. For the modern woodsman, it is a premier choice for tasks ranging from intricate carving to heavy-duty batoning. Its full-tang construction provides the structural integrity required for demanding field work, while the ergonomic walnut handle offers a secure, natural grip that remains comfortable during extended use in the wilderness. It features a razor-sharp 6.1-inch drop-point blade with a high-performance V-grind, crafted from ESEE or high-carbon steel for excellent edge retention. The overall length is 11.2-inch, providing substantial reach and control. Despite its robust steel backbone, it is remarkably lightweight, weighing just 8.6 ounce. Complete with a dedicated sheath, the K1018 is a timeless, high-utility masterpiece for any serious survivalist. The Purple Dragon Tanto knife is a striking fusion of traditional Japanese geometry and modern tactical engineering, making it a standout choice for the 2026 survivalist. This versatile fixed blade is specifically designed for high-impact camping tasks, featuring a reinforced Tanto point that excels at piercing and precision slicing. Its dual-style aesthetic balances a classic profile with rugged, contemporary materials, ensuring it performs as well as it looks in the field. It features a 6-inch razor-sharp durable blade, crafted from high-quality D2 steel, known for its reliable toughness. The overall length is a substantial 11-inch, providing a full and ergonomic non-slip handle material. Despite its solid feel, it weighs in at 0.72 pounds. Complete with a custom-fitted sheath, this Purple Dragon is a relentless and reliable outdoor essential. The POLO Craft Custom Handmade Fixed Blade Hunting Knife is a masterpiece of traditional craftsmanship designed for the 2026 survivalist. This full-tang workhorse is specifically engineered for high-stakes hunting and bushcraft, featuring a stunning Damascus steel blade that offers a superior blend of hardness and edge retention. The ergonomic olive wood handle provides a warm, natural grip, ensuring maximum control during intricate field dressing or heavy-duty camp chores in the wilderness. It features a razor-sharp 4.5-inch drop-point blade with a high-performance flat edge, perfect for versatile outdoor utility. The overall length is a compact 9-inch, making it incredibly agile in the hand. Despite its robust steel backbone, it is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 8.8 ounce. Complete with a horizontal carry sheath, this knife is a functional work of art. The ESEE PR4 is a purpose-built survival tool that brings the legendary reliability of ESEE to a classic, bushcraft-inspired design. For 2026, it remains a top choice for those who value a compact but indestructible field knife. Part of the Camplore series, this knife features a full-tang construction that can withstand the most brutal wilderness tasks. Its sculptured micarta handle offers an ergonomic, high-traction grip that ensures total control while carving, processing wood, or handling camp chores. It features a razor-sharp 4.19-inch spear point blade crafted from high-performance 1095 high-carbon steel, known for its extreme toughness and ease of sharpening in the field. The overall length is a maneuverable 8.9-inch, making it a perfect primary belt knife. Despite its rugged build, it is balanced for all-day carry, weighing in at 6.3 ounce. Proudly made in the USA, the PR4 is a relentless, no-nonsense survival masterpiece. Step into the wild with the Tops Knives Bobfieldcraft, designed by the brothers of Bushcraft for ultimate outdoor versatility. This 9.875-inch knife boasts a 4.6 to 5-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a modified Scandinavian grind, offering exceptional sharpness and edge retention. With a stonewash finish and a Rockwell hardness of 56 to 58, it's easy to maintain and built to last. The ergonomic canvas micarta handle includes a bow drill divot for fire starting and thumb scallops for precise carving. Perfect for bushcraft, survival, and wilderness adventures, the Bobfieldcraft handles carving, skinning, and fire making with ease. Its exposed pommel, complete with a ferro rod scraper, ensures you're ready for any challenge. Paired with a rugged kydex sheath and fire starter, this knife is your all-in-one outdoor solution, built to thrive in the toughest environments. The Tops Knives Bobfieldcraft isn't just a knife, it's a survival essential. Reliable, durable, and adventure-ready. Meet the Zero Tolerance 0006, a blade built for those who demand the best. This American-made fixed blade is a beast, boasting a 10.7-inch overall length with a 6-inch CPM 3-volt super steel blade. Whether you're tackling hard-to-use tasks in the wild or need a reliable combat or survival knife, this is your go-to. With a beefy 0.19-inch thickness, the full tang construction ensures unmatched durability and strength. The 0006 merges elements of survival, combat, and bushcraft knives into one mighty tool. Its razor-sharp full-flat grind blade excels in wood processing, whether whittling or feather sticking. The textured G10 handle provides a secure grip, even with gloves on, and deep notches along the spine give extra control for tougher jobs. The custom KYDEX sheath enhances functionality with multiple carry options to suit your needs. Tough, versatile, and premium, the Zero Tolerance 0006 is ready for any adventure, big or small. The Schrade Frontier SEHF52 is a rugged, full-tang survival knife built for extreme outdoor conditions. Featuring a 7-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, this knife is designed for heavy-duty tasks like batoning, chopping, and bushcraft work. The black powder-coated finish adds corrosion resistance, ensuring durability even in harsh environments. Its TPE rubber handle provides a firm, slip-resistant grip, making it comfortable and secure in wet or muddy conditions. The ergonomic design enhances control, making it ideal for precision work like feathering wood or skinning game. The SEHF52 comes with a durable polyester sheath, offering multiple carrying options for easy access. It also includes a ferro rod and sharpening stone, making it a complete survival tool set. Whether you're in the wilderness or prepping for emergencies, the Schrade Frontier SEHF52 delivers reliability, toughness, and versatility, making it an essential companion for survivalists and outdoor adventurers alike. The Morakniv Bushcraft BlackBlade is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife built for tough outdoor tasks. Featuring a 4.3-inch carbon steel blade with a black anti-corrosive coating, this knife is designed to handle everything from batoning wood to precision carving. The Scandi grind ensures excellent sharpness and easy maintenance, making it a go-to choice for bushcrafters and survivalists. The rubberized handle provides a firm, non-slip grip, offering superior control even in wet or cold conditions. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in the wilderness. This knife comes with a durable polymer sheath that includes a built-in belt clip for easy carry. Additionally, the spine of the blade is designed to be used with a ferro rod, making fire starting effortless. For those seeking a tough, Versatile and highly functional bushcraft knife, the Morakniv Bushcraft BlackBlade is a trusted choice for serious adventurers. The Ruike Jager F118 fixed blade knife is a solid budget-friendly survival blade that blends rugged performance with reliable materials. It features a 4.33-inch blade crafted from Sandvik 1-4C218 stainless steel, hardened to around 58 to 60 HRC for strong edge retention, good corrosion resistance, and dependable cutting performance outdoors. With an overall length of 8.78 inches, the Jager offers good reach and control for both fine work and general outdoor cutting. Its full tang construction, paired with a textured G10 handle, provides a secure, ergonomic grip in wet or dry conditions. The knife weighs approximately 6.72 ounces, making it comfortable to carry without feeling heavy on the belt or pack. A rugged ABS plastic sheath with an adjustable belt buckle is included, giving you versatile carry options for hiking, camping, or everyday outdoor use.